isang message lang po sa mga fan ng Pugad Baboy, what to expect, at saka sa mga fan ng mga comics.
Ayan, buhay pa ako.
Buhay ka. So, nandito ako sa Xavier School Comic Con. I'm gonna show you around. First, let me go ahead and tell you first. I'm part of the booth of Shangri-La. Realty One Group, so that's the group that I represent. So just in case any one of you are interested in investing in Shangri-La, reach out to me. We have a lot of properties here before I show you around. Okay, so Laya, Haraya, Shang Summit, medyo maingay lang. I couldn't hear myself, but let me show you around kung ano meron dito. Let me show you the entrance first. Ito yung entrance.
So while you are in line,
entrance, medyo maulan. That's okay. So, ikot tayo. I'm gonna try and umikot as fast as I can. Para at least alam nila kung ano meron dito. So, while we're doing that, let me go ahead and share a little bit something about myself. My name is Pao. This is my lifestyle vlog. And ito yung mga exhibit dito, Mini GT. Let's go on the side. So if you're wondering why I'm at the Shang Summit booth, I'm a real estate sales agent too. That's why I'm there. So just in case you're looking to invest, I can help you with that. Merong game station. This is Hobby Stadium. So all of the comic stuff, Pokemon stuff is right here. Avatar. And let's go here. Let's go here. Oh, art. Nice.
Eric is with me right now. He's the owner of Philbars, our co-presenter. Eric, what can you say about Comic Con 2026?
First of all, I'd like to thank everyone that came here, even though it's raining very hard.
Ganda nito, sir.
We
Ikaw nag-drawing nito?
support from the Xavier community. So,
Ikaw?
thank
Wow,
you everyone
nice.
for coming.
Ganda.
Again, happy nga ni Eric. Super thank you, super solid ng Xavier School community, alumni,
magkano mo
current
binibenta?
students, lahat kayo very
500 pesos?
supportive with each other. This community is one of the best.
What is your name, sir? What is your name?
Freely, F-R-E-E-L-Y.
Xavier School High School Batch 2001 for hosting, for organizing this amazing Comic Con 2026.
Ganda. Galing, ganda ng drawing ni sir.
I hope you're enjoying your stay here in Comic Con 2026. I'll talk to you again, okay?
Nagsimula tayo sa taas eh. Gonna show you the whole area. Yeah. That's the whole space.
I love seeing this silent book lab. Dapat nag-approach. Thank you, brother. Manindigan ko yan hanggang makauwi tayo. Lalakasan natin aircon mamaya before we leave. So we leave a lasting memory sa katawan ninyo. Yung lamig sa loob ng Xavier School.
Pinagtambay. Mga artists. Pwede i-browse. Yung mga comics na to? Saan publisher yung mga yan?
Marami sir. Mga publish it puro local, hindi may local outlet. Actually, ito na namin yung design award.
Ano to?
Ito namin nag-design award.
Design Awards.
Design award.
But this is Filipino, no?
Yes. Investigative.
Ito yan. Wow.
Investigative. Para siyang werewolf with blue outfit. Ito na namin
Ganda rin.
as second year, nanalo siya.
Galing, galing. Sir, kayo ba si Paul Medina? Oh, shit. Pwede ba kayo may interview kahit konti? Tungkol sa photographer? Okay lang? Different Batman. But just hold it, all the phone cards were not. All the phone cards. There you go. Just take a photo.
Yeah, sure. You can actually take a card as well. So this is the first print. If you go on there, it's free until the 16th. So just click on the link, and then it's a free comic book. It's a reprint. So yeah, you can take a picture of the book if you'd like.
Yeah, I'll do that later. I'll just taking the video right now.
Yeah, for sure.
What is Soul Jeepney though?
So Soul Jeepney is a super.
Are you the author, by the way? You're the author? Are you the
I'm right. Yeah.
Alright.
So Soul.
Okay.
Oh, my bad.
It's okay. So I don't know, it's the first time I've seen you.
No, you're fine. That's perfect.
Okay. What is it about?
Oh, am I on?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. So, Soul Jeepney is about a story that basically it's surrounded by this magical pearl, protected by the Wraithful Harrow. This triad, this trifecta team right here, and they're protecting it from this giant, this ancient giant from the past. So, Soul Jeepney overall is powered by the loved ones of our hero, the Wraithful Harrow. So he's trying to get back his wife and his daughter. So it's a lot.
First episode only?
So this is issue number 1. It's finished along with the reprint, and then issue 2 comes out next year along with this reprint. And in October we're gonna have a brand new title, so that'll be 3 comics for 2027. Yeah, the new title it has nothing to do with Soul Jeepney, so it's a new realm, I call it.
Who's publishing it?
This guy.
Independent publishing.
Yes.
Oh, so how are you distributing it?
I guess the cons. Yeah, I mean, I guess this is the best way. It's the fun way. So get to know the audience way more too. So.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, anytime.
Can I get your name?
My name's Cruz Rodriguez.
Can you just please say it?
Oh, sorry.
So I can
Cruz Rodriguez.
All right, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hey, this is my art stuff.
Oh, the artist. So you're the one who draw.
Oh yeah, take a look at his work.
Wow.
I wouldn't want to miss it.
So you do not get rid of sneakers here. So you can get purchase for either 100 and you have a chance to take
Hey.
or you can just I'm sure they can understand one. I hope you find more for your kids and for yourself.
Go Pop. Louis.
In 13 minutes, magsisimula na ang TCG, Pokemon TCG Masterclass. Ito ang masteral ng lahat ng naglalaro ng Pokemon. Ito na yung inaantay nyo para mas gumaling kayo sa Pokemon.
Yes po. Sketch card po. Sketch card.
So, ano nga ba ang nabubukunan natin sa Pokemon TCG Masterclass ito? Of course, you get to have an advanced strategy and system, prize mapping, turn planning, meta game fundamentals, and ongoing
So that's it.
updates. Yun yung ano eh.
Hope you enjoy, guys.
Kaya sinasabi ko, it's a detailing of your...
I'm here with-
Everything that I want.
Kahit sa akin,
Jelly
kasama ko si Sir Paul Medina Jr., the creator of Pugad Baboy. Sir, alam mo, medyo matagal ko na hindi nakita yung Pugad Baboy kasi hindi na ako nabili ng dyaryo. Meron pa ba dito sa dyaryo?
Wala na ako sa dyaryo, siguro mga 5 taon na.
Yung
5 taon na.
yan,
Nagano ako, nag-resign ako sa Inquirer. Napunta ako ng Rappler. Asisante ako after 5 years.
maya-maya pa
Lumipat ako ng Philippine
I
Star.
want my kid
Asisante
friends.
ako after 1 year.
My new best friends
Ano
to
na lang
be
ako
here.
sa social
I
media.
gave you some
Or
free-
okay,
kami
sir,
kami.
nasisisante
Yan po
ba?
eh.
Ano nangyari?
I
Bakit
think
hindi na anong sinasabi nila?
Umalis yung...
Masyado
umalis
malaki
yung
sweldo ko.
kaibigan ko. So,
Masyado malaki sweldo mo daw?
umalis yung
Hindi kasi,
probable customer mo.
alam mo,
Babalikan.
nung time ni
Sorry.
Duterte,
Babalikan.
ano eh,
Ikaw ba,
inaano nila yung
video,
Rappler eh,
you want to win
inaharas
something,
nila.
video
So,
ka ng video
so
eh.
kailangan nila ng ano, ng,
Just kidding, bro. I'll be
ng
back
pambayad
here
sa
for you
lawyers.
sila.
So sa pagtitipid nila, na-realize nila na masyadong na hindi practical na magstay ako sa ano.
Right. Well, yung Pugad Baboy, lalo na yung mga kasing edada namin, talagang kilala yan, sikat na sikat yan. So paano na ngayon yung ano mo, nagtuloy-tuloy pa rin, sir, yung pagsusulat mo? Pero paano mo siya dinidistribute?
Hindi, nilalabas ko siya sa social media. Tapos pag nakaipon na ako ng roughly mga 200 strips, kino-compile ko, nilalabas, ginagawa ko libro. Kaya tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Ano ba, nung panahon kasi na kilala yung Pugad Baboy, malaki ba ang diferensya ngayon sa I don't know, is this now still your, kumbaga, ito pa rin yung pinaka-main na pinagkakakitaan, sir?
Oo, bread and butter ko pa rin yan. Kasi tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman. Tapos lumalabas ako sa conventions. Diyan ako kumikita. Saka nagbibenta ako online.
So, yung binibenta mo online, sir, hard copy lang or pati soft copy meron ka rin binibenta?
Walang soft copy. Magka-conflict yan. Maglalaban yan sa physical copy. Kaya walang digital copy.
Walang digital copy. Kumbaga, alam mo, mahirap kasi, sir, yung business ngayon na hard copy lang kasi everyone is going digital. Naapekto ba yung negosyo? Medyo bumababa dahil karamihan hindi na masyado nag-compile ng mga ng mga hard copy.
Hindi kasi hard copy na nakagamit mo na walang kuryente.
Yeah,
Pwede
okay.
mong dalhin kahit saan, hindi mo kailangan i-charge. Pwede mo ihampas sa langaw pag kami dumapos sa langaw. Hindi kagaya ng iPhone, mahal yun. Hindi mo pwede paghataw sa langaw yun. Saka kailangan mo ng kuryente para gamitin yun.
Maraming salamat.
Sir, yung Pugad Baboy ba noon at saka ngayon, is it still the same? Ano bang pagkakaiba ngayon? Kunwari, yung mga watcher nito, na interest ulit mabasa. Pareho pa rin ba? Ano po ba ang pagkakaiba ngayon ng Pugad Baboy?
Pareho pa rin, kaya lang mas mabagal siya ngayon maging libro. Kasi wala akong deadline eh. Kung may deadline ka kasi, gagawa ka araw-araw. So in 1 year, makaka 300 strips ka. Pero pagka wala kang deadline, at medyo tinamad ka, bukas ko na gagawin yan, di ba? So mas matagal siya maging libro.
Nakakailan libro po kayo kada since 5 years na kayo sinabi niyo independent.
30, book 34 na. Tapos na yung book 35.
35.
Kasi nakaipon na ako, kaya lang ginagawa ko ngayon colored na eh.
Colored na.
Kaya kukulaya ko muna.
Yung drawing, sir, kayo, pero yung storyline, kayo rin po ba lahat gumagawa ng pati
Lahat, pati printing, pati pag-deliver sa comic book store. Lahat ako gumagawa.
You look like 39.
For a character like Pugad Baboy, it's already a brand. Wala bang kumukuha na distributor sa inyo? Or may over kayo distributor?
Mga comic book stores. Kagaya ng Comic Odyssey, Phil Bars. Ito, Phil Bars na sponsor sa akin ngayon.
Bakit, sir?
Ayan, kasi sa bookstore, ay di na sila kumukuha eh. Kahit mga local artists, hindi na. Kinukuha nila mga Harry Potter na lang.
Bakit, sir? Ano daw sabi niyo?
Hindi ko alam eh. Basta hindi na lang sila umorder, hindi sila nag-allocate. Akala ko ako lang. Yung pala lahat ng local
Hey, Gwen
artists.
Stacy, how are you?
Medyo nag-worry ba kayo, sir, bilang ang daming artist dito, nakita ko mga local artists because of yung kumbaga AI, digital, tas ang bilis makopya. Sa tingin niyo sobrang naapektuhan ba yung field or industry niyo, sir?
Hindi naman. Kasi ang trabaho namin ay nagpo-produce ng original art eh. So ang original art, hindi kagaya ng digital art na pwede kang gumawa ng reproduction. Sa halimbawa, binenta mo yung original art mo, pwede mo ibenta at a premium. Kasi original yung bibigay mo eh. Hindi kagaya ng AI.
Magpalaro
Kahit na magbenta ka ng 25,000 na copies, pwede kasi wala silang original na hinahawakan.
Ninja Turtles.
Ito po yung Pugad Baboy, it's still ongoing. Di ko alam kung gaano katagal. Ano po nakikita natin future sa Pugad Baboy?
Just have one question.
Ito pa rin, hinihintay ko pa rin sana maging animated series o animated movie. Yun, hanggang doon lang eh. Hindi pwedeng maging theme park. So, yun ang siguro yung mga peak.
Mananalo kayo.
So, animated movie at theme park po.
From the
So,
kids, we have my friend.
naghahanap po ba kayo
Where my kid is
just in case may makanood po dito, naghahanap ba kayo na open kayo, no? Kumari may investor na okay, wanna create a movie, I wanna create a theme park for it, open kayo?
Open ako. Kasi ano naman yan eh, ang animation ngayon, lalong dumadali eh. Dati, cell animation, may nag-offer sa akin. So, magdodrawing ka ng mga 50,000 drawings para magawa ng 30-second na animated finish animation. So, ngayon, pwede na may mga applications na pwedeng iPhone lang, pwede ka na mag-animate. May nanalo nga ng Oscar Award na gumawa ng animated short. Sa iPhone lang ginawa.
Simple question, okay?
I'm surprised wala pa lumapit sa inyo. Baka naman lumapit na gawing animated movie yan or...
Meron na, hindi lang kami nagkasundo sa presyo.
Ano po bang hinahanap nyo sa isang, yung kung sakaling isang partner? Ano bang, kumaya yung basic requirements nyo na hinahanap aside from yung pera, beside the pera?
Gusto ko may tiwala sila sa... Kasi sila lumapit sa akin eh.
Okay,
Hindi naman sila lumapit sa akin
what's the name of this?
Hindi sila
what's the name of
sigurado.
this animal?
Nakikita yung animated na gagawin namin. Ngayon, para
Very
magpakita ka ng
good.
tiwala,
You want something from Ariga Toys.
dapat
This
gawin
is
mo siya
yours.
ng hindi ila-lock out ka ng 5 years na hindi ka pwede makipag-usap sa ibang tao. Ganun.
Very good. Congratulations.
In 1 year,
Ganun
gawin nyo
kasi
kagad.
lang
Hindi yung
ang
sabi mo
laro ng
5 years,
Ariga
pero
Toys.
hindi ka pwedeng kumausap ng ibang
Napadaan
animation
lang si
studios.
Ellie na nagagawa
Wala silang
ng
tiwala.
isang Ninja Turtles.
Kaya,
Yung
So, medyo short term lang muna.
Ni Mami.
okay.
Work as well rin eh, for it to work eh. Anyway, sir, alam mo na appreciate ko, sir, you're a legend. Sa mga 40 plus lang siya ako. I wanna buy one. Magkano po ang isa? Ganito.
Depende. Merong 500, merong...
Alin po yung pinakabago nyo?
yan, 34. Isa na lang ata.
Where's your dad?
Isa na lang.
Where's your dad?
Kuhanin ko na yan.
Nasa
Kuhanin ko na yan.
Sabihin mo kay dad.
Pirmahan mo, sir, ha? Pwede? Tapos pa-picture ako. Sir, last na lang, bago mo pirmahan yan, isang message lang po sa mga fan ng Pugad Baboy, what to expect, at saka sa mga fan ng mga comics.
Ayan, buhay pa ako.
Boy ka.
Kasi daming nakalagay nga dito sa comics ko eh. Parang nagtataka sila kung bakit tuloy-tuloy pa yung Pugad Baboy. Hanggang buhay ako.
Okay. How was it?
Ano pong social media para i-follow
Meron,
sa mga kabili?
Wala lang akong TikTok, wala akong
Do you
WhatsApp.
really know how to drive
Pero
for
Instagram,
real? Okay, go
Twitter,
ahead. Practice
Facebook,
driving. Finish
nandyan ako
first,
lahat.
get your
Paul Medina
school's
Jr. po or
license
Pugad
and drive.
Baboy?
Paul Medina Jr.
Paul Medina, okay.
Pero yung comics ko, Pugad Baboy lang talaga ito.
Ayan. Sige sir.
So makikita nyo, kahit na book 34 ito,
Tingnan ako.
magkakaroon ng book 35.
Syempre dapat.
So hindi ako tumitigil.
Okay, sir. Pakipirma sir ha, tapos mapicture tayo. 500. Pau salud po, pau salud.
Pau? PAO?
Ito pa, bigyan kayo ng card. Para maano nyo. Yan yung pangalan.
Happy OW.
Pau! Ayan.
Sabi pa na ni Amiga Toys, meron pa silang 2 prizes na ipamimigay. Katulad ng pinamigay namin kanina. So maya-maya, antayin yung announcement ko. Let's be back at Amiga Toys. Meron silang ipamimigay.
So pwede tayo magpa-picture doon? Sa cellphone ko na lang.
And you can buy some football
Sir,
fidgets.
pwede picture ako kami, isa lang.
For only 350 pesos. Pero si Tidora kasi, ang idol nila is Argentina ang team. They're not Spain. Argentina sila, pro-Argentina. Pero still the same, you can play Asian football.
Thank you very much, sir.
Come here, brother. Don't be afraid.